Hello all, my name is Vijay Sarathi. My project is Petrol Bunk Management System. Yeah, let's see the purpose of the project and the problem statement and introduction. Yeah, first I'm coming to introduction and purpose of the project. This project means that what the various activities are being carried out by petrol system. In this project, we'll be including about how we can find the information about various petrol pumps. In various petrol pumps, we can see the amount received in particular day. A project will be including sales module. Also, a project can find out whether a person is present on the day or not, like the cost of the petrol, oil, kerosene, and also the price updation per day. We all know that nowadays our petrol price is daily increasing and also decreasing. It also increase in a minute paisa. So it may be hard to update daily. So using the system, it will be easy to update the price data. And also we can see the how much amount of petrol or oil required per day. So using this project we can do all these activities. And also coming to problem statement, problem statement is nothing but of management of data. For example, we can take, yeah, nowadays data should be stored very securely because everywhere they are stealing everything. Not stealing in the sense, not in physical things, they are stealing in computer like hackers. So in this systems project, risk of management of data must, less security also is there. No proper coordination between admin and users, only few users friendly, accuracy not guaranteed, and also not in reach of distance users. So these are the problems faced, so we should overcome this problem. So using this problem project we can overcome these problems. Next, uh, you can see the software requirement. These two sections are nothing but these are problem constraints, as we saw before, and this is scheduled resource we should use. How we can use this is analytical tools help petrol pump staff manage stock and inventory, improve fuel price risk management, and increase sales and accounting. This is schedule and resource. Then we are coming to software requirement, database server technology. Required database is SQL Server or MySQL. MySQL is better. Server is Apache Tomcat 4.1 or web server. Technology is JHP or PHP. Okay, these are the required software. Now, coming to business case, we all know India industries are the backbone of India. Nowadays, all companies are being developed with help of software only. So the cost of the project is also should be considered while developing a project. In coming to this project, the cost of the project is much less compared to other project. Here only software is used, so there is no need of extra cost. It is also user friendly. If a person knows VB language, it is mostly enough to develop this project. And also, there is no need of having any high range PC. It can work normal configuration PC. You can work with Windows 7, you can work with Windows 8, you can work with Windows 10 also. So, this is the business case of this project. Now, coming to history, as I said, this business case, we all know that industry is the backbone of our India. So, all companies are developing with only help of software. Without software, a company development is very hard. So first there were no software company. Now there were more software company and also more software engineer. So there is no need to maintain a file record, or all the records can be saved in the computer. Yeah, previously we were doing the recording files in Excel, in Word. That was very hard and also more time consuming. But now using this project, that no needed. Limitations. Most of the details are maintained manually due to this data reduced time consuming. Yeah, because details are maintained manually, so it's time consuming and human calculation error prone. Even when data is maintained on spreadsheet, inconsistent. Yeah, coming to this point, as I told in this paragraph, we store a data in Excel. It's a very long process because Excel, there may be repetition of data or information. So it is very hard to sort out the data. Also, there may be many invalid operators. It won't show anything first. and also our calculation may be inaccurate or the data may be incomplete. So using in this limitation is very important point. Also, the storage and exchange of data is achieved only by using Excel sheet with which lack validation capabilities. It's security. We all know that every software projects lack of security and difficulty in managing multiple forms. So, important limitation. Approach is nothing but how we deal with the project or how we see the project. So, when we come to approach, it's we can say various provisions like provision of control over technological process, um, provision of sales of retail products, automated reporting over petrol station, provision and account of personal operation, like discount bonus loyalty, remote reporting over operation of a petrol station network. They also indicate what input will be needed by system. Yeah, the input which we have to feed to project and the same system gives output. So approach is nothing but how we are going to see the project and start the project and the process of the project. Also, it's just what whether the plan of the project is being made by people. Here is also tell timing of project, whether it is completed in time or not. They also indicate whether the input will be needed by system and what manual output produced. That is the feasibility studies. The analyst has no to evaluation. Finally, coming to benefits, we all know that it's very user friendly. Yeah, this project is user friendly. Every user can be get benefited of it, and it's cost effective. And it's as I told in business case, it's very less, much less compared to other projects. Easy to backup. There will be always a backup plan. For example, if the data is deleted, it will be stored in another database file. It's data security. Every project should be secure only. So in my project also, it's data is secure. That is, I give a password and data are secure. Also, coding part is easy. This project and this form of project is fully designed in MDI form. And finally, advantage is that it can be used in any pump with only one PC. Even with one PC, this project can be implemented. You can also use multiple PC, but for this project, one PC is much enough. Now, coming to conclusion, as we see all the information before, this project is definitely a detailed and elaborate operation only. Uh, Also, we can do a lot of, we can get benefits, there will be limitations, there will be requirements, everything. So it includes all things regarding petrol bunks, cost, number of vehicles, number of petrol consumption, rate of petrol price, number of people coming to a petrol bank, number of workers working, like all the things we saw, we can do in this system. Therefore, the system is very fast. Yeah, we don't need to depend on a single manpower. We can depend on system. It will do a minute very fast, and things happen in a linear manner, that is a sequential way or an order manner, so that every busy person can get used of it. This project is over. Thank you.